slime.
I'm gonna eat the slime.
Let's get started. Okay, this one has stuff in it. Dude, stop.
Yep. Okay, it's good. Well, you put 1 milliliter more than you should have.
Hey, suck my fat cock.
Yep. I still wouldn't though, but
Exactly.
I have a boyfriend. And he's beautiful. And bald.
And bald.
Don't forget that he's bald.
Let's hope and pray that this works, chat. Oh? Oh my god, wait, record this.
Recording. Okay, so now go eat some tacos so you poop green so we can make it Deku Slime. Can I eat it?
I'm gonna ignore what you just said.
Getting over solutionized.
You're getting over solutionized, bitch.
Yeah, I do. Wow. It looks like shit.
Wow.
Wow, chat.
Wow. Oh, it's sticky.
Yeah, I mean, it's slime, so.
You know what else is sticky?
Izuku Midoriya, Katsuki Bakugo, Shoto Todoroki, Seijiro Kirishima, Hideki Kaminari, I'm Tenya Ida, Taco Uraraka, Mina Ashida, Momo Yayura.
This is your part of the slime.
I felt harder. So that's the hard bit. This is the soft bit.
It's more hardness.
Grrr.
You know what else is hard? I have green hair coloring. You think I could add this and make a Deku slime?
Go get it. Now.
Wait, I just had an idea. Markers, hello? Put this
They're up your butt.
That's not funny, Payten.
It is. Guys, is it funny if I say up your butt?
No.
It is.
No, it's actually really traumatizing. You know about that.
Shut
man. You know about my trauma from when I had to peg Michael.
What's his full name?
Michael Lee Spencer Jr.
That's crazy. Guys, look him up. Dox him, please.
Look him up and dox him, please. That's crazy.
We're making Bakudeku Slime.
Here, you get the Baku.
I get Bakugo, but I want to be Deku.
You want to be Deku?
Be Deku.
Okay, here you go.
Grr.
Idiot.
Oh my. Guys, look at I'm Baku. Never mind.
I'm squeezing on the thingy till it comes out.
Kill yourself. Guys, I don't know if there's enough Bakugo in. I mean.
This sounds too big for the Deku of us.
You mean too small? Do you have rabies? Should I be scared?
I'm gonna let my Sigma out.
Get a load of this guy. Do we want to add shaving cream to this?
Yes, what? Go get shaving cream and then put some in my mouth. The air in the whipped cream is really yummy. That's why I'm dumb. Have you ever had the air in the whipped cream?
I'm gonna release my inner alpha. Like, give me my phone, ho!
Sound like Bakugo.
Okay, I think she has rabies, guys. Okay. So then we're just going to add the shaving cream and we're going to mix it. We need to add lotion. It's too hard. Yeah. What the hell?
What?
I swear to God, I just heard my mom say something.
I heard somebody walk. It was me. I can see dead people. Can you put some lotion in here?
No, but you can.
She hates me.
Oh no. Oh no.
How'd you see that?
Hi. I'm so smart.
Grr. Hi, Mom.
Dude, stop calling my mom your
You
mom.
won't remember.
Oh my God, I just got lotion everywhere. Wait.
I I think I'm gonna die.
Dude, I hope you do.
Okay.
Get these off through. Oh, I don't know the lyrics.
We should show your mom our Bakudeku Slime. We should ask her for a review.
Hey guys, ignore this long pole. Okay, anyways, we got our Bakudeku Slime and our Deku Slime because she's apparently disabled and mute.
What?
Well, you weren't talking.
This is my Deku Slime, guys. Yeah.
Can you stay silent?
POV Bakudeku, in the fanfictions. Let me eat you whole Deku.
What the fuck?
I'm in charge of you, baby girl. Yep, you see?
This is their child they're giving birth to.
Yep. Do you remember that? Do you remember the Bakudeku gotcha life I made? Wow, guys. This is the finished product. I'm a dumb teen boy. I eat sticks.